Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson, we'll be drawing Jerry Mouse from Tom and Jerry. So let's start in the center of our page. We're going to draw an oval for the nose. Starting from the very top in the center, we're going to go horizontal, going out and then back up. Now along the top of the nose, we're going to draw a smaller oval for highlight, coming around and then up. And then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. And we want to go around that highlight. Now we're going to move over toward the side and draw the cheeks coming in. So let's line up with the top of the nose over toward the left side. We're going to bend this in, come around and then out. Let's line this up on the right. Starting from the top, at the same height, bend that out. Now we want to draw the top of the cheeks. Let's start on the left side right up here, bend this in and then down toward the side of the nose. And do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw the mouth. We're going to start from the bottom of the nose in the center. We're going to start with the left side, coming down and then up underneath the cheeks. And then from the corner of the mouth, we're going to work our way down towards the bottom. Let's start on the left side. Start by bending this in and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's round out the bottom of the mouth, coming down, across, and then up. Let's add the tongue across the bottom, starting on the left. Start by going up, and we're going to add a fold coming down, step in, goes up, and then down. Let's draw in the chin. Starting underneath the cheek, follow the curve of the mouth coming around, round up the lip, go up, and then out underneath the cheek. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker. We want to fill the top of the mouth in black. And going around the tongue. Now from here, we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw in the eyes. Let's start right where the nose meets the cheek. We're going to draw a long oval. We're going to go up, around at the eye, come down, and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting right here, going up towards the same height, come down, and then bend that in. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small oval, going up, and just tuck that in underneath the cheeks on both sides. Along the top of each pupil, draw a small circle for highlight. Now let's fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now that we completed the face, let's draw in the cheeks. From here, we're going to step up, right beside the eye. We're going to cut this out, around, and then pull that in behind the mouth. Let's do the same thing on the right. Just lining this up, going around the cheek, come down, and then bend that in. Now we're going to go back up to the top. We want to add a little curl along the inside of the ear. Start by going out and then up on either side. Bend this around and then in. Now I want to blend in towards the inside of the ear. Let's start back on the left. Start by going straight up, round up the ear, come down, and then in towards the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by going straight up. Want to go up toward the same height. Come down, and then bend that in. Let's add that fold across the top. Starting from the top of this curve, coming in, and then down, just on top of the eyes. Now from here, we're going to close off the top of the head. So we're going to start back on the left, bend this up and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to add some hair. Curl this up towards a point, come back down. Let's add another hair. We're going to curve this in the opposite direction, come down, bend this across, and then down towards the right ear. Let's go back to the top of the eyes. We're going to add two long lashes on top. So we're going to start on the left, bend this out and up, line this up on the right. I'm going to step back down, add another curl. Let's add in the eyebrows with two small curves above each eye. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We start underneath the lip on the left side, then the body going out and then in towards the hip. Line this up on the right, go out, and then in. From the hips, move to the center, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. We're going to leave a gap in the center of that curve. Go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, round out the foot, go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We want to leave a gap along the inside. And I want to separate the toe with one curve. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. From the left, step up, bend this down, and then out on top of the feet. Let's add that patch in the center of the body. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top with a point. We're going to go up towards the left, come around, and then in towards the middle. Now I want to mirror that over towards the right. Going up, round at the top, and then bring that down. Now let's go to the side of the body and add in the arms. From the top of the body, we're going to step down, bend the arm going out. We're going to blend this into the thumb pointing down. Let's round up the thumb and then bend that back up. Let's draw the first finger, bend this out, round up the finger, and then bend that back in. Now the second finger, we're going to start in the middle, bend this up and in, so we're creating a fold. And then we'll extend the last finger, starting here, bend this out, around. Now I want to bend the arm, coming in, and then up underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Extend the finger, bend this in, curve the arm coming up and then in underneath the head. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw in the whiskers. Let's start in between the nose and the cheek. Start with the first one, going across and then out. Let's add one more. We're going to step down, going out, and then bending that down. And then finally, we're just going to add the tail coming out from the left side. So we're going to start from the hip. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Jerry Mouse from Tom and Jerry. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.